Dear student, now discuss about the hybridization and molecule shape for inorganic compounds. What is the definition of the hybridization? The same energy of atomic orbitals are participate in intermixing to give same energy of new identical orbitals are called hybrid orbitals. This process is called hybridization. General formula: hybridization H is equal to 1 by 2 V plus M minus C plus A. This is the general formula. V means valency electrons of central atom or group number of central atom, that is the V. M means monovalent atoms, like that H plus, X minus. X minus means halogen ions, F minus, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus. C means cation, means positive charge, means remove the electron. A means anion, negative charge, means add the electron. Now let us see example. NH4 plus. In this compound, the nitrogen is central atom. So nitrogen belongs to fifth group in the periodic table. So how many valence electrons? 5. So it is belongs to fifth group in the periodic table. Now in this formula, the central atom group number 5 plus monovalence means hydrogens. How many? 4. So 4 minus positive charge value 1 plus anions no 0. So that is the value 8 by 2 is equal to 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. But simple tricks in this first method. This method is mainly used for only find out the hybridization of a molecule. What is the formula? H is equal to group number of central atom plus number of monovalent atoms plus or minus charge by 2. This is the formula. Now positive charge means loss of electrons, means remove the electrons. Negative charge means gain of electrons, means add the electrons. And if two sigma bonds in molecule, so what is the hybridization? sp hybridization. One s orbital, one p orbital participate in the hybridization to form sp hybridization. When two sigma bonds present in a molecule, so that is the hybridization, sp hybridization. 3 sigma bonds, sp2 hybridization. 4 sigma bonds, sp3 hybridization. 5 sigma bonds, sp3d hybridization. 6 sigma bonds, sp3d2 hybridization. 7 sigma bonds, sp3d3 hybridization. So this is the basics. Let us see some examples. Methane. In methane molecule, the carbon is central atom. So the carbon belongs to fourth group in the periodic table. Now group number 4 plus monovalence hydrogens. How many? 4. 4 plus no charge on the molecule, so it is the 0. So total value 8 by 2. So it is the value 4. What is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization. And next example, phosphorus pentachloride. In phosphorus pentachloride, central atom phosphorus. The phosphorus belongs to 50A group in the periodic table. So group number 5. And monovalence means fluorines. How many? 5. So here write down 5. And no charge on the molecule. So charge value 0 by 2. 10 by 2. So total value 5. 5 means sp3d hybridization. Because 5 sigma bonds. So 5 sigma bonds means 5 sigma bonds. What is the hybridization? sp3d hybridization. So that is the example. Next, SF6. In SF6, sulfur is central atom. So group number is 6. And monovalence 6. No charge on the molecule, 0. So by 2. 12 by 2, 6. What is the hybridization? sp3d2 hybridization. Next, IF7. In this molecule, iodine central atom, it is the group number 7 plus monovalence means fluorines 7 plus no charge on the molecule 0 by 2. 14 by 2, 7. What is the hybridization? sp3d3 hybridization. Next example, NH4 plus. In this molecule, central atom nitrogen. Nitrogen belongs to 5th group in the periodic table. So that is the group number 5 plus monovalence hydrogens 4 and charge, positive charge. So minus 1 by 2. Positive charge means remove 1 electron. So minus 1 by 2. 8 by 2 is equal to 4. What is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Next example, methyl cation. In this ion, carbon is central atom. So the carbon belongs to 4th A group in the periodic table. So group number 4 plus monovalence hydrogens 3 and positive charge 1 means remove 1 electron, minus 1 by 2. 6 by 2, 3. That is the sp2 hybridization. Next to BrF5, bromine group number 7 and monovalence 5. No charge on the molecule, 0 by 2. 12 by 2, 6. sp3d2 hybridization. Next, carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide, carbon is central atom, so it belongs to 4th group, but oxygen is divalent molecule. So the divalent molecule it is not considered, so it is neglected. Only consider monovalence. So this is the divalent, it is neglected, so this value is taken as 0. And no charge on the molecule, 0 by 2. So total value 2, sp hybridization. Similarly, SO3 minus 2. In this, sulfur is central atom. The sulfur is 6th group, group number 6, plus oxygen is divalent, so it is the neglected, 0, and charge minus 2 means 2 electrons add, plus 2 by 2. So total 8 by 2, 4, sp3 hybridization. Next, PO4 minus 3. In this phosphorus central atom, it belongs to 5th group, group number 5, and oxygen is divalent, so it is neglected, 0, and minus 3 means adding 3 electrons, plus 3 by 2, 8 by 2, 4, sp3 hybridization. Next, xenon tetrafluoride. In xenon tetrafluoride, central atom xenon, group number 8, and monovalence fluorines 4, no charge on the molecule, 0 by 2, 12 by 2, 6, sp3d2 hybridization. So this is the first method. It is mainly used for find out the hybridization of the molecule only. And second method, this is the most important method. Second method, it is mainly used for find out the hybridization and molecule shape. Very, very important. What is the formula? Hybridization is equal to number of sigma bonds plus lone pairs. So the lone pairs is also considered as sigma bonds. Total counting sigma bonds with lone pairs. If two sigma bonds, what is the hybridization? sp hybridization. So it is the structure, linear structure. 3 sigma bonds, sp2 hybridization. If lone pairs no, trigonal planar structure. If lone pairs 1, bent structure. 4 sigma bonds, what is the hybridization? sp3. In sp3 hybridization, no lone pairs, tetrahedral shape. 1 lone pair present, pyramidal shape. 2 lone pairs present, bent molecule. 3 lone pairs present, linear shape. Next, 5 sigma bonds, hybridization, sp3d hybridization. In sp3d hybridization, lone pairs 0. What is the shape? Trigonal bipyramidal shape. Lone pair electrons 1, seesaw structure. Lone pairs 2, T shape. Lone pairs 3, linear shape. Next, 6 sigma bonds. What is the hybridization? sp3d2 hybridization. In this hybridization, lone pairs 0, octahedral structure. If lone pairs value 1, square pyramidal structure. Lone pairs value 2, square planar structure. 7 sigma bonds, hybridization sp3d3. If lone pairs value 0, pentagonal bipyramidal structure. If lone pairs value 1, pentagonal monopyramidal structure. These are most important basic points. Now let us see some examples. NH4 plus. In this molecule, nitrogen as a central atom. So nitrogen belongs to 5th group in the periodic table because 5 valency electrons. Now the central atom valence electrons represented as cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But charge plus. Plus means remove the electron from the valency electrons. How many? 1 electron remove and remaining valence electrons 4. Now monovalence hydrogens 4. Each hydrogen is formed sigma bond with 1 valency electron. So hydrogen is formed sigma bond with valence electron. Hydrogen is formed sigma bond with valency electron. Hydrogen is formed the sigma bond with valence electrons. Total how many sigma bonds? 4 sigma bonds. Hybridization is equal to number of sigma bonds value 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And lone pair electrons 0. So value 4. What is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Now what is the shape? Tetrahedral shape. So this is the 4 sigma bonds, sp3 hybridization, lone pairs 0, tetrahedral shape. This is the example. Second one, carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide, carbon is a central atom. So it is the belongs to 4th group in the periodic table because 4 valency electrons. Now the valence electrons are represented as cross 1, 2, 3, 4. and oxygen is divalent molecule. So it is formed two bonds, double bond. So one oxygen is formed the double bond with two valence electrons. One is sigma bond, another one is pi bond. Similarly, another oxygen is formed double bond with two valence electrons. One is sigma bond, another one is pi bond. Now what is the hybridization? Number of sigma bonds 2, 1, 2 plus lone pair electrons 0. So that is the value 2. What is the hybridization? sp. What is the shape? Linear shape. Next, xenon difluoride. In xenon difluoride, central atom xenon, it is the belongs to 8th group in the periodic table. So total valence electrons in xenon 8, represented as cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now fluorine is monovalent. Each fluorine is formed sigma bond with valence electron. So another fluorine is formed sigma bond with valence electron. So total how many sigma bonds? 2 sigma bonds. And remaining electrons consider as lone pairs. 1, 2, 3. 3 lone pairs. So hybridization, number of sigma bonds 2 and number of lone pairs 3. Total 5 sigma bonds. So what is the hybridization? sp3d hybridization. Now structure, linear structure. So 5 sigma bonds, sp3d hybridization. In sp3d hybridization, 3 lone pairs. So what is the shape? Linear shape. That is the example. Go to next examples. ClO4 minus, central atom Cl. So it is belongs to 7th group in the periodic table. Means 7 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But charge, negative charge. Negative charge means adding 1 electron. So extra 1 electron is adding. Total 80 electrons. Now this is the oxygen. The oxygen is formed double bond with 2 valence electrons. One is sigma bond, another one is pi bond. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 oxygens form double bond with valence electrons. Total how many sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total sigma bonds 4. No lone pairs. What is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Shape, tetrahedral shape. Next, ClF4 plus. Central atom chlorine. Valence electrons 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But is here positive charge. So 1 electron is removed. And remaining electrons 6. In 6 electrons, fluorines 4. The fluorine is formed sigma bond with valence electrons. Similarly, how many sigma bonds? 4 sigma bonds. And remaining electrons consider as lone pair. So hybridization H is equal to 4 sigma bonds plus 1 lone pair. Total 5 bonds. So what is the hybridization? sp3d hybridization. What is the shape molecule? Seesaw shape molecule. Next, seesaw structure. This is next. H3O plus. Oxygen is central atom. So it is the belongs to 6th group in the periodic table. So 6 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now positive charge means 1 electron removed from the valence electron. So remaining valence electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now monovalence hydrogens 3. The hydrogen is formed sigma bond with valence electrons. Similarly, remaining 2 hydrogens also formed the sigma bond with valence electrons. Total sigma bonds 3. And remaining electrons consider as lone pair. How many? 1 lone pair. So hydrogen H is equal to 3 sigma bonds plus 1 lone pair. Total 4. sp3 hybridization. What is the shape? Pyramidal shape. Next, boron trichloride. So central atom boron. It is belongs to 5th group in the periodic table. So 5 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now chlorine's 3. The chlorine is formed sigma bond with valence electrons. Total 3 sigma bonds. And remaining electrons considered as lone pair. So hybridization H is equal to total sigma bonds 3 plus 1 lone pair. Total 4 sigma bonds. So what is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Structure, pyramidal structure. So please subscribe my video and like. Thank you.